निर्जित सर्वर्गै क्रियते भक्तिरीश्वरे वासुदेवी भगवती जया संलभ्यते रतिः. Translation by Śrīla Prabhupāda. By these activities, as mentioned above, one is able to cut down the influence of the enemies, namely lust, anger, greed, illusion, madness and jealousy. And when thus situated, one can render service to the Lord. In this way, one surely attains the platform of loving service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. As mentioned in verses 30 and 31, one's first duty is to approach the spiritual master, the representative of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, to begin rendering service to him. Prahlad Maharaj proposed that from the very beginning of life, Omar Asruti Prajna, a small child should be trained to serve the spiritual master while living at the Gurukula. Brahmachari Gurukule Vasantanto Guru Eatam. Srimad Bhagavatam says, this is the beginning of spiritual life. Guru Sadasrayaho Sadhu Vatmanu Vatmanang Sadharma Pucha. By following the instructions of the Guru and the Shastras, the disciple attains the stage of devotional service and becomes unattached to possessions. Whatever he possesses, he offers to the spiritual master, the Guru, who engages him in Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu. The disciple follows strictly, and in this way learns how to control his senses. Then by using his pure intelligence, he gradually becomes a lover of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, as confirmed by Śrīla Rupa Goswami, Ādu Sraddha Sadhu Sangha. In this way, one's life becomes perfect, and his attachment for Krishna becomes positively manifested. In that stage, he is situated in ecstasy, experiencing bhava and anubhava, as explained in the following verse. The neophyte devotee, in other words, we say brahmachari, he has to stay in Gurukula. Brahmachari, Gurukule Vasantanto, and Guru Hitam. This is also stated in this canto, 7th canto, 12th chapter, verse 1. It will come as verse now, we are in 7th chapter. You understand? Śrīla Prabhupāda, our beloved spiritual master, just listening in his forward to this verse. Rupa Goswami has also said that Ādu Shraddha Tato Sadhu Sangha. Fasting, Ādu means fasting, is Shraddha. Shraddha means firm faith, unflinching faith. Unflinching faith on what?
The spiritual master and Shastra.
Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. Yes. And the injunctions, firm faith in injunctions of Shastra, Vedic literature. And sadhu, a devotee, pure devotee. Guru, spiritual master. Is what? Is what? You understand? That is Shraddha. That's firm faith. This is number one requisite. Adu Shraddha. You understand? One should have this faith. One who is a faithless person, he cannot develop devotion. You understand? He cannot tread this path of devotional service. You understand? His life will be useless. Huh? You understand? No he. So, as a mahājana, as a bona fide authority, spiritual authority, Prahlāda Maharaj says. It is stated in Mahabharata, which is also a bona fide Vedic scripture. Mahājana jayana gatastapam. Understand? We must tread that path. But Mahajanas, like Prahlāda Maharaj, have shown us. You understand? So, Prahlāda Maharaj is a Mahājana, a great devotee sadhu. There are 12 famous Mahajanas mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. You know them?
No, in order, but
Yes. Tell me 12 names.
Prahlāda Maharaj, Lord Kapila, Bhishma, the good son of Lord Maharaj is
Why don't you learn that part? Swayambhu Narada Sambhu Kapila Kumara Manu Prahlāda Janaka Bhishma Balir Vyasakir Vayam. Well, that is verse, quotation from Srimad Bhagavatam. Jamaraj, one of the Mahajanas, says this. Famous 12 Mahajanas. Swayambhu Narada Sambhu. Swayambhu Brahmaji. Narada. Shambhu Lord Shiva. Swayambhu Narada Sambhu. Kumara, Kapila, Manu, 4 Kumaras. Kapila, the son of Devotee. And Manu, Swayambhuva Manu. You understand? Kumara, Kapila, Manu. Prahlāda, Janaka, Bhishma. You understand? Then Balir, Vyasaki, son of Vyasadeva, Sukadeva Goswami, Vayam Jamaraj. You understand? These are 12 Mahajanas. Famous Mahajanas mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. Those who are followers of these Mahajanas, strict followers, they are also known as Mahajanas. Those who come, their disciplic successor, Parampara, Mahājana. You understand? It is known as Mahājana Parampara. Mahājana, disciplic successor, Mahājana Parampara.